Hello guys, welcome to 360 Space. On today's lesson, I'll be teaching us on how to sell Web3 Inu on Trust Wallet. I'll be teaching us the two ways in which you can use to sell Web3 Inu on Trust Wallet. So for iOS users, we don't have dApps on our phone, on our Trust Wallet, but for our Android users, just go to your dApps and open pancakeswap. Then for iOS, all you have to do is just open your Safari, and you search pancakeswap. Open pancakeswap on your Safari and connect your wallet. Let me connect this wallet properly. So you come to Trust Wallet, you click on Trust Wallet, and you wait for it to load like this. Click on Trust, and you connect your wallet. So right now, go back. Yes, mine is connected now. You come to Trade. Click on Trade. So now we want to sell Web3 Inu. How do we sell Web3 Inu? All you have to do is convert it to USDT and sell, right? Or you send the USDT to any exchanger or vendor and receive your money to your bank account. So how do we swap Web3 Inu? So you just come here, you click you search for Web3 Inu. As you can see, you tried searching the Web3 Inu and you can't find the contract address. Just go to the description. I'll be posting the contract address for us all. But on this tutorial, I'll be teaching us on how to find the contract address too. So how do I find the contract address? Minimize and go to Polcoin. We'll still be coming back to Polcoin for another lesson on this topic on how to sell Web3 Inu too. So you come to Polcoin and you search Web3 Inu. So this is Web3 Inu. I'm coming. This is Web3 Inu. So this is Web3 Inu. You click here, this bbscan logo, or you can as well go to bbscan.com to search for the contract address. But I needed to be sure that I was actually going to use the correct contract. So I'll go up and you see where there is contract, and you click on contract. So right now I have copied the contract address for Web3 Inu. I'll come back to my pancakeswap and paste it here. So when I paste it here, it will load like this. Then I'll import it like this. Click on I understand and click on import. You come to this down and you change it to USDT or BNB, depending on what you want to swap it to. If you want to swap it to BNB, you still type the BNB. So you come to the figure. If you want to swap everything, you click on max. If you want to swap everything, you click on max. If you want to swap half of it, you just type the figure of what you want to swap. If you want to swap all of them, you just click on max and enable swap, then you swap. That is all. If you've not subscribed to my channel, I advise you do that now before ending this topic. Thank you.